Hey everybody, it's spring in Siberia, pretty warm, only -6, and right now we're going to our new place for the workshop to see what's going on, what's been changed, and show you how the working process over there. So here we are. As I was talking about the second floor in a previous video, you're probably gonna have to look over there to understand what's going on over here. Yeah, there's a second floor for the welders, so where we can weld small stuff, pieces of home distiller equipment and beer brewing equipment, obviously. And the big boilers and something like heavy is going to be welding downstairs, absolutely. So it can hold a lot of weight. There's not gonna be like a lot of machines or stuff, just like usual, not very specific things for welding. So the stairs, the proper ones, and over there, second stair to the second floor where we have the like lunchtime area for having rest. Yeah, and some rooms for the head of manufacture and for me and my brother. Yeah, because we're gonna have to spend a lot of time. Probably we're gonna stay from the morning to the lunchtime and then go to the office. So in the future, actually. So in the
Андрей!
Сейчас мы покажем высоту до этой 3. So here, how it looks from downstairs, as you can see, that like pretty good setup, pretty good building over here. And as I said, there's no specific machines, non-heavy ones. All the CNC and laser cut is going to be placed on the ground, so it's going to be safe. And also there's going to be an elevator, yeah, for taking up whole parts to the second floor, and it's going to be safety for. It's pretty loud out here. Just give it there. So yeah, the elevator is going to be somewhere here, and it's going to be safe for transferring all parts and equipment upstairs, so the welders and people don't have to carry anything on the stairs. So here we go. Here we have areas for the lunchtime, for the having rest, for the engineer, for the head of manufacture, and for myself and for my brother. Yeah, we especially built here another room so we can stay here and track every custom order especially we have a huge amount of custom orders, and we dealing with them every day, so we have to look at each one and track what's happening to have no misunderstanding and be on the line with the office. So we're going to stay here about, as I probably say, from 6 a.m. to like 12 p.m. Maybe 2 p.m. Yeah, so to be on the line with office and maybe with the customer as well, and see what's going on with the order, and maybe if there's a possibility to change something in the equipment. Yeah. So what's left over here in this new workshop? We have to end the second floor, obviously. Yeah, it's not a big deal actually, there's a little bit of work. Then the very important thing is to fix the floor, so it has to be flat for some machines. For example, CNC, a laser cut CNC, yeah, and we have two CNCs, so the floor has to be very flat, as good as it possible. And then we have to call the DMG motor and say, hey guys, come to us please, we have to change the settings on our CNC, and also we have to wait. Well, then a lot of stuff we have to finish on the second floor where we have lunchtime and everything else. So we have to paint, we have to install windows, for example, yeah, also not a big deal. And then we have to change the gate. It's like a Soviet gate, which was probably made like in the 60s or 70s, so pretty freaking old. And so we have to just cut them, throw it away, and install the new gates with additional area during the winter when it's going to be -40, yeah, very cold. So in that second gate, machine during the winter will come and we'll unload the stainless steel from it, and over here we'll save the room temperature. And also we have to build another building in front of our workshop for the compressor. Yeah, there's gonna be like 2 barrels for the air, for the pressed air, and a few compressions for the making air, yeah, for the laser cut, for the whole system. So they're pretty big ones, and the building is going to be like 4 meters or 5 meters long. So, and also we have to show you what's going on outside. There's septic tanks installed, and they are, goddamn, 17 cubes, huge. Oh, it's pretty windy over here, and right here is going to be build building yeah, for the compressor. Yeah, so like 4 meters long, maybe 5, and I can be wrong. The area for the air tanks, yeah, and the pipes are gonna go to there, and also it has to be heated. So it's kind of one of the most important things that we have left to do. And let's show tanks for the septic. So over here a few tanks with a volume of 17 cubes, so 7 tons of water and other things are going to be here. It's pretty big, it's probably too big. Everyone here was like, oh my gosh, why you have so big tanks over here? But well, we had a good cost for that, so we thought, why not? We can install it. Gosh, it's so sunny. So whole ground will be removed as well. Absolutely no argue for that. Yeah, pretty interesting. I hope you like this video and subscribe on our YouTube channel. Stay tuned to our new videos about the home distillation process and our new workshop. Thank you for watching. Happy distilling.